a separate running video and just reuse the shots just to get another video up, just because why not? I don't think that's ideal. Like that. No, I'm talking about that. You wouldn't know. After that turn up there, pretty much. They're right before that. Yeah. Ow. Right? There it is.
Here it comes. We just met him.
Pretty good.
Cool. And you guys are cross country doing the whole
We did. I'm
Buffalo.
from Lancaster.
Lancaster, okay,
We
cool.
started right down from Buffalo and chased it the whole time.
Yeah.
So far.
Did I hear you guys are heading out towards Pittsburgh? Or?
Yep. Yes.
Oh, you are? Ah, cool. I'm from Pittsburgh originally. So.
Oh, nice.
Oh, shoot. I didn't mean to get on that guy. Anyway, cool. Good luck.
Yeah, take care.
A lot closer than I